Hello everybody, it's Tim here. I picked this up. It was a Craigslist find. So we'll see how it goes. I haven't done anything with it yet. Looks like it's in really nice shape. And you can see it's got the potentiometer there, so this is the amplified version. Now I have a different one. I have an old one, a very old one upstairs. It looks a little bit different than this, but had a 4-wire connector. Not sure what it was wired to originally. The cable feels pretty good. I actually think I have a new one. The one that I have upstairs actually is a thicker cable than this, but I think I have one of these cables. If I need it, I mean this one's fine. So let's take the bottom off and see what the situation is. I asked the guy if it was amplified, and he wasn't sure at first, so he might not have known what I was talking about, or he never. I don't know how you could have this and not realize it had a battery and a volume or a potentiometer. So let me see. So I'm just hoping I don't see some kind of damage from a battery that's been left unattended for quite some time. Alright, well, it looks really clean inside. Battery holder, nothing's eaten up. Doesn't look like anybody's done anything inside there that would lead me to think that I've got to get this so that it focuses on the camera, or the camera focuses on it. Yeah, that's the inside. Still has the schematic, the original D104 schematic. I'll hold it up there to the camera, just in case anybody needs one. Let me back up. It's really hard to work in a camera. Alrighty. So in case anybody needed one, that's a still shot. You can take a still shot of it. Looks nice. I'm curious to get it wired up and see how it works. I can always just wire it real quick to the TS940 and go from there. Whoops, yeah, now you're looking at, I'm sorry, try that again. There we go. So, I said there's the back of it. It has the little eagle drawing on the head. Looks like it was made by Astatic. It was the original D104s, and well, we're going to wire it maybe to the 940 and see how things work. Okay, so there it is in all of its glory. It's rewired. I have I put a 4-pin plug, just like you'd find in same as I have in the Kenwood TS820. And it's the exact same wire up too, because I could use either that D104 or the Kenwood mic, or vice versa. And I actually have an older. This is one of the original ones. Long story with that one. Bought that from a guy that sold fish where I grew up. He also sold CBs, but this was back in the 70s. We'll see how it works, and like I said, just a short one to show you it, but see if anyone can hear us. Break 19.
Yeah, what's up? Good.
Hey, just testing out a new mic. Wanted to see how it's working.
Good and clear on this then.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Where you at? I'm not that done.
New developments coming in, Hunter's Preserve.
Oh, yeah, you'll be busy. Hey, take care. Thanks.
Have a good weekend. What about this end? I'm not trying on this end. I just put this in.
Sounds good. It's a little bit raspy on the modulation, but the signal's good and strong. You're pegging the needle.
Okay. You see. I don't know where you went off. My buddy gave this to me, and he said it was sitting around, you know. Sounds pretty good on the other end when I was talking to another guy.
Oh, yeah, I can definitely hear you with no problem at all. You know what I mean? Like I said, the modulation just a little bit raspy. Might be a little closer, Mike, or talking a little bit loud. If you're in a mobile, that might be it too. So, but other than that, you're 100% readable.
And for that, what do you, is this a hobby of yours, or what do you do with the radio? Like,
Just playing around, really, kind of like a hobby. But I kind of ran into a mic, and I figured I'd give it a try.
copy that. What's making that beat? I know it's a different sound. It's like a horn sound.
You mean at the very beginning when I key up?
Yeah.
This is it's a brown and golden Eagle, the radio, and it was a two-piece set. They're from back in the 70s, and generally what happened when you keyed the transmitter, the radio still stayed on a little bit, so it was like a signature of them. You could always tell they had a little bit of a ping. Some were longer than others.
Thanks, sounds good. All right, I'm getting yelled at. I gotta get out and get to work. Thank you, bud.
All right, take care. Be careful. Okay, so as you see, it works. Said the modulation sounded good, and like I said, I have the exact same wiring on this mic. This is actually the one I use for this radio. It's the 4-pin. I know I'd probably get crucified for changing it because it was a 2-pin originally, but I still have the 2-pin. Didn't have to do any modification, just merely changed it around and use the same one. So that's it. Thanks for watching.